क'क्राझार साइ गोलें गोलें जाथारदों माथो
You can really see them coming right from your right direction. Coming with the wind, again now beautiful exercise.
Oh, बढिया Oh my god बढिया
Such a beautiful sight and sight sitting in the water. And here comes
Hah?
Asian Republic.
Oh केरासिन ना पेट्रल ना थावा एसेल'सो नामा
Ladies and gentlemen, this time will stand for patrolling, surveillance, identification of targets, aerial tracking, move of safety persons, obstacle crossing, air observation post, and to get aerial photographs. Here you can see how the zone will come again, right in front of VIP gallery. K'Kra'Jar, City of Peace. All three cameras are united again. Please give them a huge round of applause.
गोजौ बोखोथारबाय
Ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude this beautiful modern match here, and see you all again on 7th of August 2023.